Welcome back to the Medellin Real Estate Investments channel. My name is Andrew. In this video, we're walking through an apartment in Provenza. It's right above Provenza. It's a very sought after neighborhood and it was completely remodeled. This is owned by a chef here in Medellin. He owns a famous restaurant. That's why he has that professional kitchen here. He remodeled it because he likes to host people. He likes to cook. So he made everything look, to his taste, which I thought was really awesome. This is the laundry area. There is a full bath back here. This is listed as a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, but if you include that full bath back there, it's actually a 3-bath. Another thing that you'll notice is that it's open concept. Again, he likes to host. He likes to have people over. I do too. This is definitely for someone that likes to have people over, that likes to maybe hire a chef or maybe cook themselves. This is the first bathroom here. It's a full bath. It's the shared bathroom, and it's also the bathroom for the person that lives in that second bedroom that doesn't have a bathroom. It's got those 2 doors, that's why. And we're going to walk into the master bedroom here. And I think they did a great job with the remodel, or he did a great job with the remodel here, because even though this building was built in 2019, the layout wasn't the same, with the base models. He remodeled it so that the layout's a little bit different. This master bedroom has a really big walk-in closet, I noticed, and the master bath, which we're going to see right now. The total square footage on this is about 1,500 square feet or 1,500 square feet or 140 square meters. And the price on this one, the asking price is 1,300,000,000 Colombian pesos, which comes out to be about $296,000. And the seller is motivated, and I can discuss this with you. All you got to do is click the link in the description, fill out our form, and somebody on my team will get back to you, and we can talk about this one or maybe something else that you'd like to see. But yeah, this is definitely a turnkey property. This is that second bedroom here. The cool thing about the second bedroom, even though it doesn't have its own bathroom, it does have this little balcony here with awesome view. I love the views in Medellin. I mean, you can't get away from the greenery. And another great thing about this building is that it's located on a cul-de-sac right above Provenza. It's walking distance from Provenza. It's about, a 8-minute walk to Provenza. But you don't get any noise because there's no traffic around here. Again, this is the dining area / living room with the kitchen right next to it. This is the big balcony here. And it is absolutely awesome. I mean, I could definitely see having friends over, maybe having wine or having some beers, watching the game, cooking together, or hiring a chef for special events, etc. It's definitely very inviting. And I love, for me, it was great. And as you can see, this is a higher floor. So one thing that I noticed also is that there's no air conditioning units, because you don't need them. The breeze is so beautiful. You get, if you open up all the windows plus this giant, balcony windows here, you get a lot of fresh air. It's great. So again, if you want to make an offer on this one or you want to look at it, make sure to click on the link in the description, fill out our form, and somebody on our team will get back to you. And if you want to see some more great properties, all you got to do is click on this playlist right here.